I think one of the most fun instruments to play in the percussion section is also one of the easiest, the suspended cymbal. About 90% of the time that you're playing it, it is the thing that really pushes the whole band or the whole orchestra to a climactic moment. So most typically, this is the part you're going to see with suspended cymbal. The composer might say timpani mallets or wool mallets or something like that, but the best sounding mallets, in my opinion, on any suspended cymbal are soft or medium soft vibraphone mallets. So place the mallets at about 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, if this were a clock, and close to the edge. So anytime you see a roll, don't play a bounced roll or anything like that, just alternating single stroke roll, and it doesn't have to be altogether fast. So I'm playing that about pretty slow, almost like 16th notes. When you see a big long crescendo like that, I want you to think of the crescendo as very slow, 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 just barely getting louder until the very end where it really mushrooms out. Because if we don't approach it like that, we're going to cover up most of the band and most of the orchestra with cymbal sound. And cymbal sound's cool, but a little bit goes a long way, so save it for the end. Now, I like to play single hits on suspended cymbal if the composer calls for mallets, with instead of just one mallet, though that can work. I want the response from the cymbal to happen really quickly, so I'll use 2 mallets just like I'm going to roll, except I'll hit them at the same time. You might consider warming up the cymbal for a single hit so that it speaks faster. Tap the cymbal to get vibrations happening, and then you can play. A composer might call for a stick to be played on the cymbal. If it's a solitary impact, I like to hit the edge. If I want a single hit with a warm sound but a lot of strong attack, I'll use a stick in one hand and a mallet in the other. Sometimes a suspended cymbal in a symphonic setting is used to imply a sort of drum set cymbal sound, in which case use a thin stick and play as though you were playing drum set.